Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Bishop, and I'm here with Kevin Courtney and Stephanie Alvarez. And today we're going to be talking to you about the wildlife on Trinity's campus and the biodiversity. So, what is the point of what we are doing? Pretty much, we are studying the biodiversity on Trinity and all the animals that inhabit it. And in order to do that, we are looking and studying what animals are on campus, and we are pretty much trying to protect and preserve what is there, as well as we are trying to inform the public so that we can better protect them and some of the environmental issues that might come with that, such as fragmentation and how that affects the animals that live on the campus, as well as we're just trying to do God's work, so pretty much stewardship, as well as care for God's creation. So, what is biodiversity and what is its importance to Trinity? So, pretty much, biodiversity boosts ecosystem productivity, where species contributes an important role in sustaining every being in it, as well as it creates an ecosystem service that benefits us humans, such as nutrient cycling, pest regulation and pollution, sustained agricultural productivity, and much more. So one of the things that is affecting biodiversity on Trinity's campus or anywhere else is habitat fragmentation. And pretty much what habitat fragmentation is, it's a large habitat area that's broken apart into smaller pieces due to human impact. And some of the human impacts that contribute to fragmentation is human interaction, such as like construction or land development. And the long-term effects could be anywhere from extinction, lack of immigration, and a decrease in ecosystem functionality. Things such as busy roads, large distances to travel, separation from other individuals, and less hunting grounds are some of the things that the animals that live in those areas will be affected by. On Trinity's campus, these are some of the areas that we study on. So the south and east side of campus, specifically the Navajo Creek is where we put most of our cameras, and right here is just an image of the creek. And to the right, there's an image of the sites of where we put the cameras. So camera A is near the BBC, camera B is near the Trinity Trail, or the Trinity Trail near the Arc. The first location for camera C that we put is behind the gym lot, and the other one is behind Tipstra Hall.
Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie. So I'm going to discuss some of the pictures that we have taken from our cameras while we've been going through our study. So the first thing are the raccoons. Everybody on campus knows the raccoons. We see them roaming around during the day, at night. These are some of the pictures that we were able to capture in the creek. We have one just swimming or walking across, and then at night we get the most footage. We have one going across a dropped tree in the forest. And then we also have seen the great blue heron. These are a few pictures that we have gotten, all in different locations. We got them mainly last semester, so in the fall. And then there are more birds. So we have the mallards, we have a wood duck, we have the grackle, we have some pictures of the blue jay, the red-bellied woodpecker, and we have lots of pictures of the robin. So what else do we have on our cameras? So we did capture, it's pretty fuzzy, but we captured a buck walking through the Trinity Trail. We also have some pictures of some chipmunks that also walk through the Trinity Trail. And then a lot of random pictures of cats that we've gotten crossing the cameras. And then last semester in our conservation biology class, we had a student looking at the beavers because the beavers were knocking down trees and building dams right by the BBC. So we had a lot of beaver activity going on. And then coyotes. As a part of our field research, we were looking at coyotes. Unfortunately, we had to stop our looking at coyotes, but these are also pictures from last fall of some really good pictures of coyotes that we were able to capture.
Thanks, Stephanie. Hi, everybody. My name's Kevin. So along with the project we were just talking about, we decided to make a new project to increase biodiversity. And with that, we wanted to create bat enclosures on campus. And so we made two of them, replacing one behind the Miller Print Center and the other one behind the DeVos Gym towards the parking lots. Why we chose bats. Currently, bats are suffering from habitat fragmentation due to forest degradation and human expansion. They contribute to biodiversity because they're pest regulators. Their diets consist of mainly mosquitoes and moths. And with them being pest regulators, we use less herbicides, which better helps the environment. So on the right is our bat enclosure. And overall, our goal is to set up these enclosures to serve as homes for the bats. What we want to do is document how many bats come in, visit, stay, or just on campus in general. And you want to better educate the public on bat populations. And then due to the circumstances of COVID-19, we're actually unable to hang up the bat enclosures, so we sadly have no data. And being as all three of us are going to be gone next semester, we're hoping that we could get help from you guys and continue this project. So if anybody wants to help us out, contact any of us at our emails or contact Professor Abby Schrotenbauer directly, and we could get you started.